Hi, students. The composition questions by the Buffalo Springfield offers a new facet to our playing, and that is the use of suspensions. Now, the song was redone for a movie, Echo in the Canyon. Echo in the Canyon is about the Laurel Canyon music colony that lived there, and Bob Dylan's son Jacob reworked the original song and kind of gave it a new beat, a new life. But the essence of the song remained. And when I'm talking about suspensions, I'm talking about the A suspended, suspend 2. So you play an A. Oh, by the way, the strum on this song is down, down, up, down. If you just played the song straight, it wouldn't sound bad because it's an A, E minor, G, D. And so it would sound... But how it's played is with these suspensions. And what happens is you play down, down, and then up. So it's on the first up that you release the ring finger for an A sus2. So very slowly it will look like this. Let me move that lamp. Yeah, there we go. So it'd be like this. And on the E minor, down. On the up, you release the E. And then on the last down, you put it down. So here was the A. Then I go down, I put my finger back. Then an E minor. G does not change. But D also has a suspension, and it's the second finger. So it's down, down, up. The finger goes up while the hand goes up. And then when the next down, it goes down again. Let me stand to where you can see the left and right hand. So here is one verse. 1, 2, 3, 4. So once again, the down, down. Let me turn that off. There we go. The finger goes up when the strum goes up. And there's another up and then a down. So it's down, down, up, down. Now, the chorus is with the questions of is just down, down, up, down, down, up. This time an A suspended 2, and the next time is A and then A suspended 4. That's where you add a finger. You add the fourth finger, the pinky, to the third fret of the B string. So let me demonstrate that. And you do it twice. You do it twice. So you do this. You go. I'm adding the pinky there. and then an A sus, and just let it ring. Come on, lover, talk to me. I was on my own, chasing you down. What was it made you run? The questions are 1,000 years. What you see and what you hear. Come on, lover, talk to me. And of course, in the movie and in the album, there's a blistering solo by Eric Clapton, and then he also plays with Stephen Stills. They do a back and forth solo. Stephen Stills wrote this piece. Have fun with this. I hope you have good luck with it.